We're headed to Morrison Springs in Ponce de Leon, Florida. We planned the trip with our cousin a few weeks back. She's been before and she talked highly of it. Unfortunately, when we got there, it wasn't at all how she described. She told us it's always packed out, so when we pulled into the parking lot and only saw a few cars, we knew something was wrong. There were signs saying swimming not advised due to high bacteria content and the water was brown. Definitely not what we were expecting. Pretty disappointing considering we drove 2 hours to find this out upon arrival.
I don't know, there's some kind of bacteria or something in the water and it says we can't swim here.
Why?
It'll make us sick. You don't want to get sick, do you? You do? You take the risk to swim? No. We'll find somewhere else. Let's go.
The destination is on your right. Ponce de Leon Springs State Park. Arrived.
So the guard at the gate here said that anytime it rains, anytime they have any heavy rain, the river backs up into Morrison Springs and makes it all muddy. And plus, people's septic tanks and stuff like that run off into it, or farmlands that are close by, the agriculture stuff runs off into it, and that's what makes it nasty and why they have signs saying swim at your own risk, basically. That's why we're here at Ponce de Leon Springs Park.
All right, y'all ready to roll?
Yes, I am.
Alrighty.
She's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. She's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
Yeah! Go down!
Look over the
Here, hold that again. Hold that again.
You can touch this.
Cold.
Calling me,
Let go, baby.
so thankful we found Ponce de Leon State Park. It is so beautiful and clean. The water was freezing, but we had the absolute best time considering we didn't end up where we planned. Morrison Springs is still on our list to visit, but now we know not to come when it's been a rainy week. We can't wait for our next adventure.
Well, our GPS was trying to take us to Highway 90, and now we know why I-10's backed up. At least we got food.